is Maxim637 here. Michael isn't here with us today, but it's just me by myself. I'm at Best Buy. He doesn't seem to be here. And I'm going to be showing you what I want to get as well. A laptop and another HDMI cable for the Elgato Game Capture HD. So yeah. In the previous video, I meant to say I want to buy both a Wii remote and a fight pad. That's what I meant to say. And Rock Candy is like the worst brand ever. Don't trust Rock Candy. To be honest, don't do it. Alright. So, it'd be phenomenal if I actually bump into Michael, which is not likely at all. More SD cards and SD units. Alright. So in the previous video I showed off the Elgato Game Capture HD, which was $189. Some more TVs. But wow, that one is expensive. $2,000. It's over $2,000. Oh whoa, this is Sony's most popular TV, I think. Once again, 4K Ultra, probably like, what, $3,000 just for that big guy person. So, okay, here are a bunch of HDMI cables. What is the cheapest one? They're all HDMI cables. I don't know what the cheapest one or how much it is. Alright. So, I also found the Blue Yeti. I just could not find it, and I was wrong. It is not 100. One second. It is not $179. I mean, it is not like $200 or $300. It is actually $179. But they look like that looks really good. But I'm planning. So here are my plans. So I'm gonna probably get the Elgato on Amazon, and what else? I was gonna get like the. Oh yeah, the Blue Yeti. I think I'll get it at AV Games because I don't like the white version that much. I like the black one better. Of course. So, oh, more HDMI cables, I think. Video cables, not quite what I'm looking for. USB cable. So I can't seem to find Michael. But I think I'm only gonna do one part. I'm not buying anything today. I just heard my name. I just heard my name. That could be Michael. I gotta sit over here just to see if he's here. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Clearly that was not Michael. I thought that was him shouting my name. And I'm sorry if my mouth up close to the camera. But we're here. I don't know what I remember seeing that PS360 controller. I don't know where it went. But oh well. Man, this seems like a sadder episode of when I was with Michael. Whatever. Okay, so oh, this is the mice. I do want to see. I want to find a wired one though, just because. Well, yeah, I'm gonna be. Or I can't send. I cannot like. I can't. Okay, let me just get myself straight. Let me just think of what I have to say. So I don't know. Suspend means like you're tied to a rope, or if it's not suspended, you're tied to a rope. But I'm just gonna say suspend. So I need one that you can't get suspended from. I need like a wired one. And also in terms of computers, I need one with like HDMI port. Let me just get close. Yeah, that's an HDMI. I need. Okay, if I'm gonna get a computer, I need one with HDMI that's really cheap. I'm a cheapskate here, and I cannot get a MacBook because the MacBooks don't have HDMI. And most of these are pretty expensive. Oh, okay, this one is not as bad. 300. Oh, ooh. Oh no, never mind. That's just a 32 gigabyte tablet. And this one is just like, what, a netbook? I'm never gonna even look at that. That's so small. Okay. And whoa, fancy seeing an Xbox 360 here. So fancy. Seeing a small, this is like a different model. And then like all the port, I can't show it, forget it, I only showed some of it. And here's like a monitor. Does this one have HDMI on it? Ooh, it does. It does. Wow, how much does it cost? Oh, oops, sorry. Whole desk. Ooh, that's not bad for a whole desktop. Though I'm gonna get a laptop anyway, because I want to be able to carry it around. Okay, yeah. Let's continue on. So I'm gonna go to the gaming section to show you what I want. And I thought I actually heard someone say Max. Okay, a bunch of like coffee machines. Okay. Oh. I do not want this type of Wii U. I see it everywhere I go. I'm not saying it's a bad game, but I want the Splatoon bundle because as soon as I get it, and the Elgato and the Blue Yeti, I want to like straight away make gameplays. And most definitely, I really want to get the laptop because well, I need it for YouTube, and well, that's really cool. The afterglow case, it's like changing colors. Never mind, I'm just like probably hallucinating. An Xbox One controller, is that's Xbox, they're lying, that's Xbox 360. That's Xbox One. Oh, never mind, that says Xbox 360. It's because this thing right here, this is 360, but it says Xbox One, and now this is actually Xbox One. Okay. Let's go. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay, shit. I actually forgot my scarf over here, where I last took a look at the Xbox 360, and I think it's like, yeah, it's a USB port place. Just wanted to take a look at that little inner slot there. And yes, I forgot my scarf. So irresponsible. So yeah. I do need a computer with an HDMI. A MacBook will not work. It's not enough. Look at this. This is so flat. Whoa. Okay, this shit. It does have HDMI, it's just being covered. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Sorry guys, I just forgot my scarf. What is this? What is she like? How much has she been exercising? She's like, it's like she took a shower in her own sweat. Never mind, I wasn't hallucinating. See, yeah, if you move, it changes colors. It's pretty sick. Alright, so, last but not least, before I'm done, kind of talk about like what's going on, how stuff is. It's like a steering wheel for the PlayStation. Not needed. Battlefront. That's the bundle I want. Oh, not gonna be for that long. I think I remember before I started recording. I think I saw an Xbox 360. We are back. All right, I did find one, but I couldn't find it like right now. Oh no, never mind. Damn, it's right here. It is right here. So this one is $179, but it comes with like a small amount of gigabytes. This is the one I'd probably get, but it's $250. But it comes with like there are like 3 different types of 360s. There's the big one, which is probably like our least favorite because it doesn't come with an internal hard drive. I'll explain more in a sec. Okay guys, it isn't too dark right now. I'm gonna go home now because there's nothing for me to do at Best Buy. Maybe when Michael's here, because well, I don't know. It's just like he goes right after school, like literally like right after. He doesn't take some time, which is annoying. Like literally right after school. All right. Anyway, so I need to download like 4 different softwares if I get a laptop. So if I get a recycled one, it's gonna like show up the startup menu, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the computer, and hopefully no software is already installed on it. So once I clean it, I'm going to download the 4 softwares. So an editing software for the well, for a 3DS when I record from it. I need to change the quality on the 3DS, hopefully, if that works. The Elgato Game Capture HD software will be like extremely helpful. I'm gonna turn the camera around, just give me a sec. Okay. So I'm gonna be buying downloading the I don't know if there's like a Blue Yeti software, but if there is, I'm gonna have to download that. So I need the Elgato Game Capture HD software. How long has it been so far? Oh my gosh, 12 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna finish discussing, then I'll make a part 2. Because I can't record for that long. Maximum is 20 minutes, so I don't have much storage on this. So I'm gonna wait to cross, and while I'm at it, I'll talk. Never mind, we're done. Oh no, never mind. So I need to get the Elgato Game Capture HD software. That's 1. 2 is the editing software I was talking about. 3, Audacity or Audiodicity or Audio City. I can't pronounce it. I'm just gonna say Audacity, and then last but not least, the most important, I think. I'm not sure if it's the most important, but one that's needed is oh yeah, Vegas Pro 2012. Oh gosh, I crossed the road at the wrong time. Sorry guys. If you heard honking, I crossed the road at the wrong time. That was a stupid mistake. Who cares? Actually, no, I care. So I'll see you in part 2. Peace out. Sorry. Come on.